Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the biggest debates in personal finance. Real estate versus stocks, which one made me more money? If you're someone trying to build wealth, this video is for you. I've made good money in both, but I've made more in real estate. Why? Because real estate allows you to earn every single month while also growing in value. That doesn't mean stocks are bad though. Both can make you rich if you play the game right. So by the end of this workshop, my goal is to help you decide whether you should invest in real estate, stocks, or both. Stick around because I'm sharing my personal experiences, the numbers, and the lessons I've learned along the way. Section 1, how I got started with stocks and real estate. Let's start from the beginning. I got into stocks first because it's super easy to open an account and buy shares of a company like Apple or Tesla. I didn't need much money and I could do everything from my phone. With real estate, it was a different game. I needed a bigger investment upfront, but I saw an opportunity when I bought my first rental property. I was scared, trust me, but once that rent check came in, I knew I was onto something. Now let me break down how both have worked for me over the years. Section 2, the case for stocks. Stocks have been an amazing wealth builder for me. Here's why. Easy to get started. You can invest with just $10. No paperwork, no tenants, no maintenance calls, high liquidity. If I need money, I can sell stocks in seconds. Try selling a house that fast. Growth potential. Some of my stocks have doubled or tripled in value in just a few years, but there's a downside. Stocks can be volatile. The market can crash overnight and you have no control over it. The good news, if you invest for the long term and stay calm, history shows the market always bounces back. For example, in 2020, when the market crashed, I bought shares of some great companies at a discount. A couple of years later, those stocks skyrocketed. That's how the wealthy play the game. Section 3, the case for real estate. Now let's talk real estate. This is where I made the most money, and here's why. Monthly cash flow. Unlike stocks, real estate puts money in your pocket every month. My rental properties pay me even when I sleep. Leverage, I use the bank's money to buy real estate. I put down 20% and the bank covered the rest. Stocks don't work like that. Tax benefits. Real estate offers tax breaks that help keep more money in my pocket. Appreciation. Over time, real estate values tend to go up, and one of my properties doubled in value in 10 years. But real estate isn't perfect either. It takes more effort and things can go wrong. Tenants don't pay, repairs pop up, and markets fluctuate. That's why you have to be smart about what you buy. Section 4, the numbers, which one made me more? Alright, let's talk numbers. This is what you came for, right? Stocks. Over 10 years, I made about 8 to 12% returns per year in the stock market. Some years were higher, some lower, but overall, I've done well. Real estate. On my first rental property, I put down $40,000. After 10 years, not only did the property double in value, but I also collected over $100,000 in rental income. When I compare my stock profits to my real estate profits, real estate has made me more money overall, mainly because of cash flow and appreciation, but both have been great for building wealth. Section 5, which should you choose? So now the big question, which one should you invest in? Here's my take. If you want something easy and hands-off, stocks are a great option. Just invest consistently and let time do the work. If you want monthly cash flow and bigger long-term gains, real estate is your game, especially if you're okay with some management work. If you're serious about wealth building, do both. That's what I do. I use rental income to buy more stocks and stock profits to buy more real estate. Bottom line, don't wait to invest. The sooner you start, the richer you'll be later. Alright guys, that wraps it up. Now I want to hear from you. Are you team stocks, team real estate, or both? Drop a comment below. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. And if you want a deep dive into how I find the best real estate deals or the stocks I'm buying right now, check out the links below. See you in the next video. Let's build wealth together.